tiles work, no, and painting works of this structure. So all in all, what you can see now is only worth 544,000 pesos of renovations and improvement here, including the lightings. So with that, this structure, we are very, very proud that this is the first, when you come down from to the south from Bacolod, this is the first structure or junction wherein ang tanan ng mga travelers coming from Bacolod, from the north going to the south, will have to split going to the south and going to the west and going to the east. No? So amo gini siya ang bulungguan sa tanan ng mga travelers coming from Bacolod. And this is very, very significant because it is located at the entrance of Binalbagan. And this can offer great potential not only for our municipality but most especially to Barangay San Jose. This will serve as a gateway in the southern Negros. Now that we are now in the one island Negros, here coming to Binalbagan, amo ni siya ang ma-welcome sa aton yung mga bisita. If they want to go across the mountain, going to Negros Oriental, passing Isabela Sicatuna, or passing Moises Padilla, Canlaon, and Villahermoso, or passing Isabela, Amontay, and La Libertad, which is the next project of our municipal mayor. So this is very timely for the Negros Island region that this junction will be a gateway of Negros Occidental in going to Negros Oriental. So with that, tonight, we declare this as completed, and we are now requesting our Honorable Mayor to accept the completion of this project. I have here with me the certificate of completion of this project, wherein it states that I, Engineer Patrick Mabag of the Municipal Engineer's Office, certify that the improvement of the Rotonda Island structure is already 100% completed as of August 31, 2024, and that all works incorporated in the approved program of works, plans, and specifications are satisfactorily made as to required quantities and quality. Tonight, I will sign this as completed, and our good mayor will accept this, and later will turn over this to Barangay San Jose. With that, thank you so much and congratulations sa ato tanan. Congratulations Barangay San Jose, and mayang gabi sa inyo tanan.
With the Barangay San Jose Council, headed by their Punong Barangay, Honorable Henry Padilla. We would like also to request our Municipal Vice Mayor and the Council or our SB members, please join. Of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Sangguniang Bayan member, Honorable Laila Gabaran. Ma'am, good evening.
Anyway, Barangay San Jose, may kabisit na no? Kaga, of course, sa mga municipal officials, nga rin sa mga department heads, ISMA, Engineer Mahabag, sino pang hari din? Pearl, hari ka din? Now, nag-explicar naman ang history sini kaga may-ari man din certification. Pirmahan ko man ano ni? Ano ko man nga ini members of the Sangguniang Bayan, will you allow me? Nga i-turn over na no? Anyway, this will become siling na nga daw landmark na ni Barangay San Jose, and of course more things to come diri sa inyo sa Barangay San Jose, no? So in behalf ang aton mga municipal officials yung kaupo ko dire, department heads, ina-turn over ko ini, no? Depende ini kung patunon mo ni Kap. Ako nakaperma na, diba na kami nakaperma, ikaw na lang. Bahala ka. O bahala si Batman. Depende rin si mo, Kap, no? Anyway, ina-turn over namon faithfully, no? From the bottom of our heart, are, turn over namon sa inyo. Ano bot sing anon sin Kamu na ang bahala. Ha? Kamu na ang upkeeping sini Barangay San Jose. Kami yaman ang tao na lang. Kamu na lang mintinar. Okay na? Okay ko no. Anyway, pabatiya kami nga okay kay kamo. So, accept ini. Away pa mapirmahan. Hindi i-accept ko na. Iulihan ito na. Basin di siya pirma. Hari Kap, patunon mo na in behalf of the council, no? Ninyo. Okay ka? Okay siya ko, no? Okay. Anyway, hindi man nga matalikod lang kami din sa inyo. Kung ano man ang makita ninyo nga may nagka-problema, balo lang. Okay? Kung masarangan nyo, sarangan lang. Kung hindi, pilitang masarangan nyo, Gen. Sige na lang. Okay na, Kap, ha?
May gabi tanan. So ginabaton ko na yung ining project ang Rotonda landmark sa ngalan sang Barangay San Jose Council kag sa mga kumuluyo sang Barangay San Jose kag lalo na di sa Kusig sa Mokwil. So aton mi siya amligan kag ayaw pula vandalism no sa mga para mamintinan natin nga mayo lang ang aton nga rotunda. Muda maging salamat.
Yes, thank you so much.
Raise your glass, it's the moment we've heard. Feel the fire, let the music burn. We've got the rhythm, we've got the rhyme. Come on everybody, it's celebration time. Oh, it's celebration time. Let's dance all night till the morning light. Laughing and singing, everything's alright. Oh, it's celebration time.